Hi, my name is Deanna Hertz, and I'm the creator and founder of Monkey See-Do, a platform marketplace featuring products, prototypes, and services from growing startup businesses. So many small businesses were closed because of the pandemic. Families lost their livelihoods, and brick-and-mortar shops were permanently shuttered. I want to help startups have the ability to succeed, even without a permanent location. Startup businesses are a valuable part of our economy. However, entrepreneurs encounter a lot of challenges on the road to success. Many startups face problems with getting the exposure they need, finding the right marketplace to showcase their goods and services, as well as finding investors. Many startups have difficulty reaching investor networks. At Monkey See-Do, we make it easy to market your business to investors, your virtual location and funding platform all in one place. Would you like to follow us on this journey? Please join us at monkeyseedo.com.